Hey guys, it's Weston DW Monster Jam fan, and I'm doing a 30-second intro. Here's the trucks I have right now. White Avenger, Northern Nightmare, Silver Grape Digger, Monster Rottweiler with the signature. Chrome, Son of a Digger, Gas Monkey Garage, Earthshaker, Ice Cream Man, Clear Crushers, El Toro Loco, Max D Chrome, El Toro Loco Chrome, Crustation, Chromafrost, and King Crunch Flashback. So, we have 4 trucks here, and I'll show you the first one. This is my second silver one. So we have Mohawk Warrior, El Toro Loco, Grape Digger, Max D, and Avenger. This one is Mohawk Warrior. Man, this looks really awesome. Now, this is my second silver one, just like the Grape Digger one. Yeah, I'll have it right here, sort of. Anyway, so we have the Mohawk with the flames, I think. We have the person with the glasses shouting out, saying Mohawk Warrior. On the back, it also says Mohawk Warrior. Really silver. So yeah. We have another silver one, and so we already have Mohawk Warrior and Grape Digger, El Toro Loco, Maxi, or Avenger. It is El Toro Loco. Anyway, so yeah, I have 2 El Toro Locos there. This is my third one. So we have the El Toro Loco here, I believe. On the back, also in here, we have the horns, with the flames and the teeth. The flames, yeah. Much silver, really. This is silver. That is chrome. And yeah. We have another chrome. We have another silver one. So we already have Mohawk Warrior, El Toro Loco, and Grape Digger, Max D or Avenger. It is Max D. I like this Max D. It is super awesome. Anyway, we have the limbs here. 11-time World Finals champion, Max D with the spikes, Max D, Tomlins with the monster, and yeah, and I love the silver collection. It is super cool. So we just need Avenger. We have another one here. This one's tier 2. Just kidding. It's tier 1, and it is Avenger. So I've completed wave 1. I don't have any wave 2 ones. There's 5 more still. Anyway, so we have the skull here with the flames. What is that saying? Oh, it says Lucas up here. Yeah, with the flames, and then Garner's toe, I don't know. And then it says and then we have the Avenger here with the skull and some logos. And yeah, that's really it. We can add this here. So yeah, we completed wave 1 on the silver collection. And so I'm hoping I can get more wave 2 ones. That was it for the silver collection video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe, like, and comment. Comment and send a link to your Monster Jam videos so I can look at them and see if I'll like them. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'm a Weston DW Monster Jam fan, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!